Merry Christmas! Just between the three of us. Me? Ay, no! Wala pala. Ay, lugay pa. Basta kay Merry Christmas! These are our midnight snacks. Yes. This one is for Allen, and this one is for me. This one is for Allen, and this one is for me. And this one, we're just going to share it. Yes.
No, this one's for Allen, this one's for her.
Hello. This is fair.
Look at my food. Ah.
So yummy. Ang mga hindi nagising, kawawa naman. There will be no mercy.
No
They're just
fear.
between you and me. Megatron.
No, it's just me, Prime.
You want to see me?
No, I want to.
Bye-bye.
Chicken.
Bye-bye.